Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, so you want to win 15 USDT, come to Discord, go to the giveaway booth, drop a heart here. That's the easy way to participate. To join Discord, go to any description of my video and click on Discord, and follow me on Twitter as well. There are 7 days for that one to happen, and by 1st of April I'm going to announce the winner. Anyone can win this. And let's go back into the Hbar video update right now. So you're looking for Hbar coming down here, and you've actually make some pretty much some pumps here going on and whatnot. So at the moment, on the 4-hour time frame, the last time that I made an update on Hbar was the following: that I was looking at Hbar trying to cross this little bit of a pattern here where you had this one resistance, make a fake out here, try to break out again and again, but you still ended up failing. So it could have actually pushed up to this price target if and only if you actually made a push from this place. And if you could have done that, that would be a really amazing thing. But unfortunately, at this point of time, there's this trend line that you're losing, and I don't like that. So you probably were making a little bit of an ascending triangle here. So I'm going to tell you the next technical target for Hbar, because if you look at it this way, came down like this, went up, came down, went up, came down. So that is pretty much an ascending triangle, which in most cases is a bullish pattern, and you're failing to break out of that bullish pattern. So right now, the technical target of ascending triangle are the following: if you could have actually broke to the upside, that was your technical target. But now that you're breaking to the downside, you're looking for this sweep down here to this price level, and that's going to be back to where this triangle actually started. Who knows, make first bottom and a second bottom, and then from there try to push back up again. That's the first thing. The second thing is to look on the RSI, and let's see if you actually end up coming down for Hbar at the moment. Then I'm going to show you the RSI right now. I'm just going to zoom in on the RSI at the moment, and you can see that the RSI, whenever it came down to this one touch there, second touch here, has always been a good idea. But notice how that if I try to zoom in here, the RSI didn't quite actually touch the line right there. You see, it came halfway through. I'm just going to zoom in even more. So it came, you see that small gap right over here, there's a very small gap that didn't actually happen, and this gap can be filled, and you can see that when Hbar is looking to drop down on the ascending triangle, right? So that also means that you might get that one small push down and get a touch, another touch on that trend line. And we've seen for the past previous 2 times here that it has always been a very good buying opportunity when it comes down. I think if it comes down here, that would be amazing, because if it goes back up, you're looking for an amazing trading opportunities. And speaking of trading, by the way, Signals is opened up for the next 7 days as well on the Discord. If anyone is interested in joining that, do watch this Signals agreement video posted on the description of the video. And that's pretty much it for this update on Hbar. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.